Hello, my name is Sandeep, a technical marketing engineer in Collaboration Technology Group. In this demonstration, I'm going to show about the UCM Cloud Webex Control Hub integration and also the analytics on UCM Cloud. UCM Cloud integration with Webex Control Hub enables the partners and customers to view the Flex license usage for UCMC customers, also view the customer clusters and manage the clusters from Webex Control Hub. It also provides the analytics also for the endpoint utilizations, or you can see the qualities of different calls that are being made, or also you can see the visualizations of all the slicing and dicing of the data and with various filters. With that, let's jump into the demo. As you can see, I have opened my browser and logged into admin.webex.com. I will give my user ID. So I'm logging in here as a partner admin. I can see the partner admin portal here. Can hover over to here the user ID. I can see that I am the partner sales admin here, and I have active trials. So I can just go to the customers and see what are the active trials we have. As of now, we have just one customer here, and this customer is provisioned for UCM Cloud. So if I can just check that this is provisioned for the UCM Cloud, I can directly log into customer portal just by going into view customer, which opens another browser window, and I get the customer Webex Control Hub admin page. So in this particular tab, I can see that there are services calling UCM Cloud. I can just go to the UCM Cloud services and see the license reports. So for this particular customer, we have about 1000 knowledge workers and 200 common area and 30 telepresence. So about 1230 total license and entitlements. Of that, the 172 are being used. For we can have different categories of licenses here. So we have knowledge workers of 20 and common area 152. So these many are being used now, and I can also generate the reports for particular day, and I can do the customizations for the reports. So I can get the custom reports for a particular year or month and select the the from and to date and just download the report, and it will download the report in the form of CSV. So I can also get the cluster reports, wherein I can get the cluster which has been provisioned and what are the different kind of licenses which are being used for different clusters. Moving on to analytics. So I can go to the UCM Cloud Analytics directly from here, and I can see the number of the call volume status and also the call audio quality. If I go to the call volume status, I can get all the information about all the call successful calls or the total calls which are attempted, which were dropped, and I can go to different endpoints here. So which are the different endpoints we have? We have audio endpoints and video endpoints here, and I can just hover over to endpoint video capabilities endpoint, and I can see that the different the graphs have changed here, and I can see that all the statistics about this different endpoints. Like, so the video endpoints, we have these many video endpoints which were there. So we had 8800 series, DX series, and the Jabber. And what are the call distribution times? What are the different times that the calls were made? Which is the unified CM version. So I can see all this information about different call failure analysis for these calls. So this is pretty important for the customers or the customer admins who really want to look into different failure analysis. So for example, the call failure, temporary failure. What are the different devices pools those are being used for temporary failure? I mean the calls that were failed for the temporary failures, which are the codecs that were used. So customers can really get some kind of nice graphical information and also download this in the form of CSV. Similarly, I can go to the call audio quality, and analyze what are the call audio quality for different endpoints. So I can select, for example, the audio endpoint. Looks like we just had 7800 series phones, and these are the call distribution times, and what are the call classification, internals or external. If it is a PSTN call, what are the different codec used, and what is the unified CM used, and what is the device pool. So you can really analyze like the different audio quality, call quality for different customers, and with the help of the call audio quality, if they are experiencing any service issues, or there are any poor calls or accepted calls. Looks like we had a good number of accepted calls. Let's see if the video endpoints had some issues. So we can go to the video and check that there are some poor calls also here. So it looks like we had some poor calls with the video endpoints. Then we can see that there is the number of device pools that are assigned to these video endpoints, and we can also I can also download this report with the help of CSV. I mean, the report gets generated as a CSV file, and customers can really select all the they can also select a range for the dates which these reports needs to be available, and they can see the reports and directly and analyze the data actually. We will have more enhancements coming on this one, and we will do the demonstrations as we see more enhancements coming on the troubleshooting, or also generating the reports, for example. So these are still being worked on, and once we have that, we will be doing the demonstration of those as well.